To determine the concentration in terms of molarity of KMnO4 solution by titrating it against standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Okay, ferrous ammonium sulfate is also called as Mohr salt. So what is first step? Take 3.92 gram of Mohr salt, okay, into the beaker. Okay, transfer 3.92 gram Mohr salt or FAS salt into the beaker. Okay, now what is next step? Add 1 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. This is what? Dilute sulfuric acid. So you have to add 1 test tube. 1 test tube of H2SO4 into the beaker. Okay. Now what is next step? Stir this solution with the help of stirrer. So this is glass rod. So stir all the solution. Now what is next step? Transfer all the solution into the standard measuring flask. This is called as what? Standard measuring flask. 100 ml of standard measuring flask. So transfer all the solution into the standard measuring flask. Okay. Now what is next step? Take water and transfer into the standard measuring flask. Take again some amount of water and transfer into the standard measuring flask. Next. Take again some amount of water this is what? This is neck of the standard measuring flask. Okay, this is neck of the standard measuring flask. So you have to transfer all the water into the up to the neck of that standard measuring flask in this way. Now what is next step? Take little amount of water this is called as a pipette. Okay, this is called as a pipette. So wash this pipette suck this water with the help of pipette. Okay, now add into the standard measuring flask up to the mark. This is what? Mark. So this is colorless solution. That's why take lower meniscus. Okay. In this way you have to dissolve all the Mohr salt or FAS salt into the first H2SO4 then in the water. Okay, so in this way pipette solution is prepared. Okay, so this is called as a burette. Okay, this is 25 ml of burette. This burette contains KMnO4 solution. What is our aim? To find out molarity of this KMnO4 solution with the help of titration. So this whole practical is called as a titration practical or titration. Okay, so this is called as a burette and this is KMnO4 solution. Transfer solution into the burette, okay, up to the 0 mark and consider its upper meniscus. Why upper meniscus? Because this is colored solution. That's why take upper meniscus of this burette. So fill the burette with KMnO4 up to the 0 mark. Now what is next step? Wash this beaker, okay. Shake this standard measuring flask 1 to 2 times. Next step is what? This is your pipette solution. Transfer this pipette solution into the beaker. Okay. Take 10 ml of pipette solution. Take 10 ml of pipette solution into the conical flask. Okay, this is what 10 ml FAS solution. Okay, now what is next step? Take 1 test tube of H2SO4 solution. This is what? Dilute H2SO4 solution or dilute sulfuric acid solution. Transfer all the solution into the conical flask. This is next step. Okay. Now what is last step? Titrate this solution with burette solution. Okay, means titrate this FAS plus 1 test tube of H2SO4. Okay, this solution with KMnO4. Now add drop by drop KMnO4 into the conical flask. What is our end point? Colorless to light pink. Okay. So transfer drop by drop. Add drop by drop solution. This is what? Colorless solution. Okay. This is colorless solution. This is again colorless solution. Okay. So our end point is what? Colorless to light pink. For that purpose, add drop by drop solution. So look at here. This is what? Light pink color. Okay. So reading is what? 9.4. 9.4.
Your color into the reading gauge.
Yes. So reading is what? 9.4. So write down your first reading. Pilot reading is between 9 to 10. Okay. Write down your first reading 9.4. Okay. Now repeat this process 3 times. Then you are get CBR reading, means constant burette reading. Okay. So this is nothing but constant burette reading. Okay. So in this way you are getting constant burette reading. So add this constant burette reading in this equation. You will get final result. That is molarity of KMnO4 solution.